The most ridiculous piece of evidence I've ever heard in my life. The most obviously planted thing I've ever seen is this. It is actually ridiculous. Chris has had 30 years worth of dog tags. They have gone where dog tags go. Some go to families, some get lost, some go into storage. But Chris told you that just like everyone I've ever seen who has dog tags in the military, they come in a pair, they're on a chain. Chris has a rubber sort of bumper thing around his. None of those things are true on this. But that's not what makes it so ridiculous. Whoever left this at the Phillips home has seen too many movies. This was on a shelf next to Calvin Phillips' wallet. Not only is it planted, but it's planted by someone who thinks they're clever, whose reasoning is the same reasoning as one of my kids. Because if you are killing Calvin Phillips and you want people to think it is Christian Martin, what better way than to bring this item and place it there next to the wallet of the man you just killed? So why is it on the back porch? Well, I want to suggest to you that someone who was in possession of a shell which had been fired from the Glock maybe didn't have that many. Or maybe didn't know that nickel would have been the smarter play. Put it there. Put it there so that 5 months later it could be found. Am I saying it was put there the day of? I actually don't think it was. I think it was put there later. I think it was put there later when, lo and behold, there was no arrest. Why no arrest? I mean, I left a dog tag, no arrest. So this became the icing on the cake, the non-existent cake. But how could it have gone on the back porch?
So grateful to bring in Court TV legal correspondent Julia Janae, who is joining us from the trial live in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. And let me just say, Julia, watching the defense attorney Tom Griffiths in this case, very passionate about his argument that these pieces of evidence must have been planted.
He is very passionate. He took these jurors on a journey. They'd already seen his case in chief in the most recent past compared to when they saw the prosecution's case in chief, but he laid it all out for them in a very lengthy closing argument. In Kentucky, the defense goes first, but we saw a lot of these jurors really leaning in and paying attention to what he had to say. Not a lot of writing, but taking it all in organically, especially when he was pointing out how this doesn't make sense when it comes to the timeline and calling the prosecution's case, or rather, the person who actually committed this crime, messy.
The prosecution suggests every time that someone doesn't have a 100% digital footprint, that something may be going on. But the irony is that where were you on Mysterious Monday? Well, we found out. We looked through his the Cellbrite report, the data and everything. We saw it. He went to his lawyers. His lawyer came in and said he went to my office. He did errands, he was talking to his court-martial attorneys, he was doing all the things that he should be doing. That timeline doesn't show a thing. There's nothing suspicious or incriminating at all. Whoever committed these murders, what a terrible plan. What a mess. What a fool. What a terrible person. It is the sloppiest, stupidest thing I've ever heard. Going over, and this is the prosecutor's version, right? Over and then going back to a crime scene where there's a dead body, and then evidently sticking around there, and then killing more people, and then having to put them someplace, and then having an incriminating car. You know what? That car is never over at Chris's house. Of course it wouldn't be. Why would it be? But I want to suggest to you, it probably went someplace. Someone's garage, or someone's shop, or someone's house with space for it. It went someplace. Whoever killed those people didn't just leave those bodies in a car for hours to be potentially found.